C3 to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1971 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Listen to this. Numbers matching LS5 454 car. It's actually been with the same owner the last 45 years. He states he bought it from the original owner, so a two-owner car. 454, power steering, power brakes, AC, so nicely equipped. AC, blows cold, automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 400. So we look at that chrome front bumper. Now paint. Bridgehampton Blue, so paint code 979. Interior 412, dark blue vinyl. You can see that paint has a nice shine to it. It was actually repainted approximately 10 years ago. The engine and trans were rebuilt approximately 15,000 miles ago. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on the rally style wheels, center caps, beauty rings. Technician did note tires age-wise are getting up there. May want to consider replacing those in the future. Also mentioned the front sway bar link bushings could be replaced. Brakes are 80% in the front, 80% in the rear. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see paint shows well. Again, has a nice shine to it. There is a little bit of an Audi or a spider web right up there in the top of the hood, if you can see that, and a few small touch-ups. But overall, again, this car, it shows very nice. And best of all, that big block underneath the hood. All right, up and down this passenger side. That's not full of major nicks, dings, scratches. Of course, blue bucket seats. Center console, AM, FM radio, that is working. Of course, T-tops. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. We're gonna take a peek underneath the hood. We'll check out those headlights. Make sure those are working. Chrome in the rear bumper, of course, dual exhaust, luggage rack, and it does come with the holders for the T-tops, so you'd have the protective holders for the T-tops if you were going to strap them on the luggage rack or still put them behind the seat. All right, once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these C3s or maybe just like Corvettes in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Sorry about the noise in the background. Running the lift up to get some underside pics. Videos are uploaded daily, by the way, if you're watching our YouTube channel. And when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. All right. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Previous owner states it does have a newer AC compressor on it, by the way. Calipers, steering box, and power steering pump. Seat belt's still intact. Let's move this one out of the way when I sit down. And you'd also have the shoulder belts. 1970 are going to be back here that will latch in with that lap belt. So you have lap and shoulder belts in this model year. You can see seats don't look too bad. Blue on blue. Tilt column, as well as telescopic, it looks like. In that AM FM cassette. Let's go ahead and fire this up. All right, see the tach's working. That radio working. Hey, look at that, the clock's even working. Oil pressure, battery gauge, water temp. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect that to be up. Fuel gauge, looks like gauges are working. Top of the dash, looks good. Slip around to the back seat and hear this run. Sounds good, nothing too crazy or obnoxious out of that exhaust. Now, these are going to be vacuum headlights, I do believe yet. So let's see. Sometimes they don't come up even, but they'll come up. See what we got. Yep, appears that they probably still are vacuum. Both working though. All right, let me go ahead and get this hood popped open. Let's take a quick peek at that numbers matching 454. There's a good look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. A little bit of chrome dress up there. Some of the covers, air cleaner cover, master cylinder cover, alternator. Edelbrock 4-barrel Holly. I think it's a street dominator intake manifold. And again, engine and transmission gone through and rebuilt approximately 15,000 miles ago. Paint was done approximately 10 years ago. And if you also noticed, the headlights do go back down. Cool C3, 1971 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1971 Chevrolet Corvette. Blue paint, blue interior, looking very good. This is an automatic on the center console, which makes it easy for anybody to drive. The AC blows cold in this Corvette. Our turn signal indicator is working. The fuel gauge reads a little less than a quarter of a tank right now. Water temperature approximately 180 on the gauge. Acceleration is good. Speedometer working, tachometer working. Slight wind noise around the top of the door glass. That's expected. This is a T-top. I do have the T-tops in currently. Oil pressure about 60 to 65 psi while we're going down the road. Clock on the left down there is counting the seconds, and the battery is charging over halfway on the gauge. Looks like the factory radio.
Campus and on the corner of Broadway.
And that works as well, AM and FM radio. Even the seats look factory and they are comfortable. The C3 Corvette, a very iconic American car. This one says 454 on the hood. Brakes nice and smooth and effective. Not overly loud, possibly close to a factory sound for the exhaust coming out of this car. Corners very well, as a Corvette should. And acceleration is good as well. Find all the pictures of this 71 Corvette over at uniqueclassiccars.com.